Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the adjustable bed. Boy, that's a mouthful. I hadn't seen too many reviews on it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents, kind of just based off my experience with it and let you know what I thought about it. I should mention real quick too that I actually found a pretty good deal on this bed, and I'll put a link in the description below to that deal so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself. So what is this bed, who's it for, and what do I think about it? Well, it's, for one, this is a split king bed. And what that means is basically it's two twin XL mattress beds right next to each other. It's completely separate. They work independently of each other, which is really nice because you and the person you're sleeping next to can completely adjust their own bed separately. You don't have to agree on a position, which is very nice to have. One person could be sitting up reading, the other person is laying down sleeping, or some people, like myself, have to sleep slightly elevated because of sleep apnea, which has completely gotten rid of my sleep apnea, by the way, which is awesome. You know, I don't need a CPAP machine or anything like that anymore after using this. Just a slight little elevation is completely ridded me of sleep apnea, so that's the big reason why I like this a lot. But it is really nice to have that independent control over both. Now, the thing I like most about this bed, aside from the independent controls, is the build quality. It's extremely stable, it's super sturdy, the motors are very strong, they never feel like they're getting bogged down when they're raising or lowering or anything like that. And it will work with any twin XL mattress. You basically want to buy two twin XL mattresses. I recommend memory foam. They're a lot cheaper and they're a lot better in my opinion. But you can use them with a spring coil mattress too if you want. There are memory positions. There's 2 memory positions for each bed independently. So you can have like a memory for, like, you know, a reading position or a sleeping position or something in between, whatever you want. There is a button on the remote that makes it fully flat, so you can go down to a fully flat position anytime you want to. And it does have a massage feature built into it. It's basically just a vibration. Can get pretty intense if you want it to. You can increase and decrease the vibration amount in it. And it can get pretty strong, so that is kind of nice. It is nice sometimes if you're just relaxing there to kind of have that little vibration. It is soothing, that's for sure. There is a button on the remote too that says anti-snore, which is kind of cool. Like if your partner snores a lot and it wakes you up, you can push the button on the anti-snore and it'll just raise it up just a little bit, and like 90% of the time that will get the person to stop snoring without waking them up. So that is a nice feature to have for sure. There is a night light that's built into it too. The head and the foot platforms raise independently. But yeah, it works really good. One thing I wanted to talk about is, if like you see these things on TV, like you call in like, oh, you can get adjustable bed for a really good price and all that stuff. Don't even waste your time with them. Just telling you from experience. If you call in and ask about them, they charge an absolute fortune for the adjustable beds. Easily $8,000 to $10,000. And if you want like a split king like this, up to $15,000 easily. Don't even waste your time. Don't bother. You can get these things for way, way cheaper online. Like I said, that deal that I found on it, if you click the link in the description below, you'll see just how much cheaper you can actually get these things for. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know about that too. If you have any questions about the bed or anything like that, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.